Have you ever felt your heart racing, your mind running, and words simply disappearing? The truth is that there is someone who can't get you out of their head, someone who is being bombarded by dreams, signs, and all of this has a name: anxiety. This someone is terrified to approach, but at the same time, desperate to talk to you. Do you know what this is? It's the fear of losing something you never had, the fear of surrendering to a feeling so intense that it feels like it will suffocate you. But what if I told you that there is a reason for these signs? That there is something deeper and more powerful behind this fear? Stay with me until the end and subscribe to the channel because what I'm about to reveal to you can change everything. There is a special sensation that takes over this person whenever they think of you. It's as if you were a star shining brightly, illuminating everything around you. It's not just them who feels this. When you are present, there's a shift in the energy of the environment. It's something that everyone seems to notice, even if subtly. Your presence is undeniable, impossible to ignore. You bring with you a light, an aura that naturally attracts attention and the looks of everyone. This person sees in you something deeper, a beauty that goes beyond the surface. They perceive that you have a rare magnetism, a combination of qualities that make you admired and desired by many. It's not just your appearance, but also the way you behave, how you interact with others. There's a kindness, an authenticity that is hard to find. And that's what makes you so special in their eyes. But there's more. They can't help but feel that there's something in you that is changing, evolving. It's as if you are going through a transformation, and that only makes you shine even brighter. The people around you notice this, they comment on it, and that only reinforces what they already know: you are extraordinary. There is a strength in you, a confidence that grows with each passing day, and this is something that everyone around you can feel. On the other hand, this person is struggling with their own feelings. She wants to be herself by your side, she wants you to see who she really is. But there is an insecurity that haunts her. She feels the need to be perfect, to live up to what she believes you deserve. This creates an internal conflict, a pressure that often makes her feel inadequate. She hides this insecurity, showing a version of herself that she thinks you will approve of. But deep down, she just wants to be true, to show the person she really is. She wants to be with you in such an intense way that it is almost impossible to ignore. What she feels for you goes far beyond the superficial. She wishes that you see beyond the doubts and insecurities, that you realize how much she values your essence, who you truly are. The connection that exists between you is strong, as if something invisible but unbreakable unites you in a profound and authentic way. It's as if there is a greater force, almost as if the angels are by your side, protecting this special bond, showing signs that, even subtle, are very clear: you are on the right path. These signs can appear in various forms, like in dreams where you meet, reinforcing the idea that this union is destined to be something grand. The bond you share is not just physical, it is something that transcends time and space, a soul connection. You are tuned in at such a deep level that it is almost telepathic. Often, it seems like you can feel each other's thoughts and emotions, even when you are far apart. It's as if there is an invisible mirror between you, reflecting everything you feel and think, creating an inexplicable harmony, but impossible to deny. This synchrony is so intense that sometimes you question if the thoughts invading your mind are really yours, or if they are hers, blending with yours in such a natural way that it seems like you are fused into one. The energy she directs towards you is so strong and clear that it is almost palpable. It's as if she is always by your side, even when she is not physically present. This energy deeply and continuously influences your thoughts and feelings. That's why you find yourself thinking of her frequently, but deep down you know that these thoughts are her presence in your life, a presence that is impossible to ignore. The bond you share is like a magnet that keeps you together, regardless of the distance or circumstances. You feel that she is there in every thought, in every feeling, influencing you in a way that is hard to explain, but makes perfect sense when you look at what you have together. And it is this connection, so deep and true, that continues to shape and strengthen your relationship, a bond that goes beyond what the eyes can see and the heart understands without needing words. That person, deep down, carries a pain that she cannot put into words. It's a sadness that seems to have no end, a constant disappointment for not being able to make things work out with you. Every time she tries to move on, she ends up at the same point, as if something is holding her back, as if a unique chance had slipped through her fingers. And no matter how hard she tries to distance herself, there is a force within her pulling her back, a force she believes to be stronger than anything else in life. She feels that the connection between the two of you is not by chance, that everything is part of something bigger, a plan that God has laid out, something that was meant to happen in this life. And somehow you feel that too. There is an unexplainable attraction that makes you think of her, even when you try to move on. It seems like there is an invisible bond connecting you, a connection that is impossible to ignore. To that person, destiny seems to have put her on the wrong path, as if a wrong choice had taken away from her the chance to be happy by your side. She feels like she has ruined her own life, closing herself off to the world, protecting herself from the pain, but at the same time, preventing herself from fully living. The people around her notice how unhappy she is. She has isolated herself, emotionally distanced herself, and this is evident to those who know her well. That glow she once had, that joy, seems to have disappeared. But still, she keeps watching you. Whether through social media or other means, she follows your life from afar, watching other people get closer to you, offering affection, attention, and love. And this hurts her deeply, because while everyone else can express their feelings for you, she remains silent, paralyzed by fear and insecurity. She wants to speak up to get closer, but simply can't, as if the words get stuck in her throat. This silence is tearing her apart from the inside, and she sees powerless time go by, while other people take the place that deep down in her heart, she believes should be hers. And this pain only grows day after day, because what she feels for you is something that never disappeared, just got buried, but is still there, strong and present, waiting for a chance to be heard. This person saw you evolve, watched you closely, and now sees the incredible transformation you've gone through. She notices how you've changed, how you've become someone full of confidence, who finally recognizes your own worth. It's not just a change in attitude, but something much deeper, that reflects in how you behave and communicate. You have grown, discovered yourself, and this has not gone unnoticed by those around you. Today you are someone who stands out, who exudes a different, more intense, more vibrant energy. People notice this, even those who may have underestimated you in the past. They see that you have become stronger, more secure, focused on yourself and your journey. And this change is undeniable. It is stamped in every gesture, in every word, in every gaze you direct to the world. But this transformation goes beyond the surface. It has touched your essence, your soul, changing the way you see yourself and the world. This light that now shines in you attracts people in a natural, almost magnetic way. You are no longer the one who goes unnoticed. Now you are noticed, admired, even by those who perhaps did not value you so much before. That particular person, who watches you from a distance, perhaps with a mixture of admiration and regret, feels this change intensely. They realize that you are no longer the same, that you have become someone who commands respect just by your presence. This makes them feel a bit distant, not because you are inaccessible, but because your new posture demands a level of respect and consideration that may not have been present before. And now, this person feels like they have lost something important. They know they had the opportunity to be by your side, but somehow let it slip away. By observing you, even discreetly, perhaps hidden behind a secret or fake account, they notice how much you have evolved, how much you have changed your own worldview and inevitably, the view they had of themselves. You have awakened something in them that seemed dormant before. Previously, this person did not believe in true connections, in bonds that transcend the everyday, but now they see how deep and transformative these connections can be. You have brought this new perspective into their life, and that, in a way, has transformed them too. She realizes that by getting to know you, something inside her changed. You are not just someone who passed through her life. You are someone who left a mark, who made her rethink her beliefs and realize how special a connection can be. This person who seems to have lived by your side in every life, as if the universe itself always found a way to bring you together, is now in a spiral of emotional exhaustion that seems endless. The life force that once moved her has simply vanished, leaving her adrift in a sea of almost unbearable anguish. Every thought, every emotion, every part of who she is focused on you, and there is a pain so palpable that it seems to suffocate her, crushing her for feeling that she has lost something that was absolutely essential to her. Time seems to have stopped for her, and every passing minute is like a weight that sinks her even deeper into her sadness. She is trapped in a painful pattern, an endless cycle of conflicting feelings, of decisions that never materialize. It's as if she is entangled in a maze of hesitations and uncertainties, unable to make a definitive decision, even knowing how necessary it is. Procrastination has become her constant companion, repeatedly postponing what she knows, deep down, needs to be done. She so badly wants to talk to you, so eager to do something to change the situation, but her feet seem stuck, frozen, completely unable to move. The connection between you is so intense and strong that, even when she tries to distract herself, whether by talking to friends or diving into work, your presence continues to envelop her in an almost suffocating way, like a shadow that never leaves her. She is being consumed by a growing obsession, an intensity that only makes the distance between you even more painful and difficult to bear. You have become the center of her thoughts, the axis around which everything in her life seems to revolve. And the reason why she feels so lost, so anguished, it's you. She desperately wants to break this silence, to break this barrier and talk to you, but something inside her completely paralyzes her. The fear she feels is immense, a panic that overwhelms her just by thinking of getting in touch. This fear terrifies her in such a profound way that it leaves her emotionally overwhelmed, unable to act. However, this inaction, this paralysis, only increases her sadness, because inside her there is a true, urgent, almost desperate desire to finally connect with you. She is in a moment of total torment, where emotions tear her apart, a sensation that makes her question her own strengths. It's as if every second without acting were an eternity of anguish, a weight that accumulates in her chest, making breathing difficult, almost impossible. She wants so much to be with you that it is no longer just a simple desire, but a need that consumes her completely, a need to feel complete by your side. But, at the same time, this desire is what paralyzes her. The fear is immense, and it seems that with every step she considers taking, a new wave of insecurity hits her, knocking down any small courage she may have managed to gather. The fear of rejection, of the unknown, of losing what she already has, even though it is almost nothing, prevents her from moving forward. She finds herself in a vicious cycle, where desire and fear feed each other, creating an almost insurmountable barrier. Every moment alone, she catches herself thinking about you, about how it would be if she had the courage to approach, to open her heart and let everything she feels transpire. But these very ideas that should be liberating, trap her even more, because with them come doubt, uncertainty about how you would react, about how things could change. And this change, which could be the key to her happiness, is also the key to her greatest fear, losing everything. She tries in every way to find within herself a strength that will make her break through this barrier, that will make her get out of this state of emotional paralysis. But with each attempt, insecurity resurfaces stronger, showing that it is not yet the moment, that she is not ready. And so she remains in this state of constant agony, where the desire to be with you and the fear of what that might entail confront each other in an endless duel. She knows she needs to take action, that she cannot live eternally in this limbo, where nothing happens and the pain only grows. But courage is scarce, and fear seems to dominate every part of her being, making the simple act of acting something monumental, impossible to be carried out. She wants to believe that one day, she will find within herself the necessary strength to overcome this, to finally break free from this cycle that slowly destroys her. And while that day does not come, she lives in this cruel alternation between hope and despair, where each moment of weakness feels like a personal defeat. She knows she needs to do something, that she needs to rid herself of this fear that prevents her from being happy, but at the same time, each failed attempt makes her feel even more lost. Doubt consumes her, Will she ever be able to break through this barrier? Will she be able to, finally, be by your side, without the weight of fear and insecurity holding her back? She just wants a way out of this torment that seems to have no end. She wants to be able to breathe relieved, without the weight of this constant struggle. She wants to be with you, without fear, without reservations. But until that happens, she remains trapped in this cycle of pain and hope, waiting for the moment when finally, love will overcome fear and she will be able to, at last, be free to follow her heart. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Enter, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and be attentive to the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.